Alright, so our backyard is kind of plain, and I want to make it look a little nicer, so we're going to clean up all the dog and then work on some raised beds around here. We're going to do a corner one right here, and then we're going to skip a set of fence panels, or a fence panel, and then we're going to do another one, skip, and then another one down over here. So we got a bunch of cedar 2x, rough cut stuff, and then a bunch of galvanized roof panel that we're going to use for the walls. So let's get it unloaded from the truck and get the tools out and get started. Okay, Emma, you're in the line of fire.
What are you doing that measure for? What are you doing that for?
I'm cutting the wood.
Oh, that's important.
We got a stack of 3 on here, so we're able to get an 8 or a 7-foot section, or 82 inches exactly, and then a 31 and a 31. So that's a front or back, and then 2 sides out of a sheet. So we're gonna cut 3 at a time, see how that goes. Alright, so we cut 4 at a time. Nope, use your other hand. Word of the day for Emma. Humble. Alright, we're ready to put another one together. Alright, will you bring that drill over here?
Yeah.
Take that to Daddy. Are you still
Called a
recording?
drill or an impact.
Are you still recording this?
Can I use it?
Yep, thank you.
This is stronger.
Let me get one more and then you can help me do the other 2. Where you going? Nope, we're using these, baby. I have them here. Let me get it started.
Can I do it? You gotta move.
Can't push on the drill. Good job. Hat, please. Thank you, ma'am. Mark the edge here with some rocks, so we're going to take the shovel and cut that sod out of the way. So this is the proper way to load up a wheelbarrow. Put your weight over the front tire, and then you're using all of this space here, these extended handles as leverage. So your mechanical advantage here is balance and leverage. All thread. See the nut and washer there? All thread in the middle. Just barely snugged up so there won't be any bowing in the centers.
Then, do you like it? And my hands? And my hands?
Yep.
Papa.
this is them about 5 months later. The cedar has weathered, and what we'll probably end up doing next season when the weather warms up is give them a good coat of stain and sealant. Got raspberries in the middle here. Surprised, it's like a dwarf raspberry bush, but I'm surprised they didn't take off better. But yeah, as you can see, it's early winter, so everything's pretty much died off. But the boxes are holding up very well, so definitely added to the backyard. And then I had to put these shade screens up on here for both hail, and because here in the Colorado summer it gets so dry that I just couldn't keep up with watering these things. They would wilt up after a day in the sun. So but that's a wrap on the raised gardens. So see what we can get to grow into them next year. Thanks for watching, and have a good week.